In this world where the majority of the things we buy online or usually search for the things before going to a physical store, copywriting plays a major role. Most of your decisions are influenced by copywriters, and in this video I will explain what copywriting is, how to write a good copy, and why copywriting is more important than content writing. Hey guys, I am Abhidev and I create videos about freelancing, writing, books and the things that I find interesting. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing and liking for the YouTube algorithm. When you like, it plays a major role to increase the visibility of the video. So yeah, let's start the video. So copywriting is usually a short form of content which is used to sell stuff, like to take some sort of action after reading. It helps businesses and content creators to increase their sales and overall traffic. For example, ads, titles of your articles, call to actions, like जब भी कोई YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने का बोलता है या उनकी e-book परचेस करने का बोलता है, and this sales emails. To make things more clear, let's take an example of an article which is titled as 5 ways to increase your productivity. So after seeing that title, आपको लगा कि this article can help you in some sort of way. So आपने title देखते ही इस article को open करा, and this way you were sold to read that article just by reading the title. Let's take some another example. आप सभी ये YouTube video देख रहे हैं and I'm telling you to subscribe to my channel because I create videos about freelancing and my videos can help you a lot to start as a freelancer. So you guys found some value in the channel and I sort of pitched you to take some sort of action. So this is the power of copywriting. And most of the ads we see, subjects of the emails we write, titles of the articles follow a similar strategy. All these things are meant to be sold in one way or the other. In a nutshell, you just have to think of copywriting as the most critical element of any form of marketing and advertising, because copywriters are professional writers. They are sort of experts in human purchasing psychology. Content writing and copywriting are two different things, but both are important for you to understand as a writer. I have a separate video about content writing where I explained it in detail, so check that video if you want to understand it better. When we see content writing and copywriting, then content writing will usually be in the long form, like the matter of your articles, social media posts, ebooks and all. And copywriting on the other hand will be in the short form, as I said earlier, like your email subject, ads, title of your blogs and all. So this is kind of the basic difference between the two. With the help of content writing, you will be able to educate, entertain and engage your reader so that they can be on your website or profile for a longer time, and you also build trust with your audience over time. But with the help of copywriting, you will make your potential reader click on your blog, sell your products and bring more sales to your business. You generally sort of play with readers' emotions and they feel the need to buy this stuff and seal the deal. And copywriting is also more important than content writing, because let's take an example. If I'm writing an email to a very busy person, like वो email खोलता है और उन्हीं मेल्स को पढ़ता है जो बहुत ज़्यादा important है उसके लिए, या उसका सब्जेक्ट लाइन बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है, लाइक सब्जेक्ट देखते ही उसे ओपन करने की क्यूरियोसिटी होती है. So here you can see that the copywriting plays a very important role, because अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट लाइन ही अच्छा नहीं होगा तो भले ही आपने जो उसके अंदर कंटेंट लिखा है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट और अच्छा है, बट सिंपली द पर्सन whom you are sending it is not going to open it. And same goes for blogs and ads. अगर आपका टाइटल क्यूरियोसिटी जनरेट नहीं करता है या आपका एड इतना वैल्यू प्रोवाइड नहीं करता है, देन भले ही आपका ब्लॉग आपने बहुत अच्छा लिखा है या फिर आपका प्रोडक्ट बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, सिंपली द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पीपल विल नॉट रीड दैट आर्टिकल और विल नॉट बाय योर प्रोडक्ट. सो you guys can see how powerful copywriting can be, and you earn more money as a copywriter if you compare both. So I have divided this in 3 major points. First is that there are 7 emotional triggers which brings the majority of sales, if you can tap on them correctly, because people buy things due to their emotional reasons, not rational reasons. For example, आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बाय करते हैं तो उस प्रोडक्ट का खरीदने का डिसीजन मेजॉरिटी इमोशनल रीजंस पर डिपेंड करता है. It can be anything like we buy a gym membership because we want to be healthy, and here we have some emotional value which is fear. हमें डर लगता है if we will not exercise then it will affect our health. So you guys can see here emotional value is there. I read this in the book Advertising, which is an amazing book about the psychology of humans, like how and where they spend their money, where they have explained all the ad agencies' secrets. So I would recommend you guys to give this book a read. And there is this another book, The Copywriter's Handbook, which is also good if you are just starting out. Links of the books will be in the description box below. According to the book, human beings are biologically programmed with 8 desires, which are fear, lust, laziness, envy, pride, greed, and few others. So when you write a copy appeal based on these desires, then no one can stop people from buying your product. Second is promising and delivering. Whenever you are promising people to provide something, whether it is in your blog, your product, your consultation call, with your copy, then make sure you are delivering what is promised. Because people don't like being tricked. So writing clickbaits is cool and definitely brings you more visibility and sales. But once you break your promise, then your audience will notice it. So whenever you are writing a copy, then only write things which actually your product is capable of. This is so important because simply people don't like being cheated. अगर मैं मेरा कोई प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर रहा हूँ और आप कुछ ट्रस्ट पर उसको बाय करते हैं with your hard earned money, then you expect to get some sort of useful, valuable things in it. And if you don't find some value in it, then ये तो बहुत ही obvious है आपका ट्रस्ट ब्रेक होगा. So if you are promising something, then you have to deliver it too if you want to stand in the market. And third is, no one likes to be sold. Whenever we buy something, we have two major reasons to back it up. Like you only buy things when you need it or just casually we like something. But we never buy something when we feel like it is just being sold to us. जब भी हम कोई मॉल या स्टोर विजिट करते हैं तो वहाँ पर एंटर करते ही एक सेल्समैन होता है जो आपको क्रेडिट कार्ड्स लेने के लिए बोलता है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी से हमें नहीं चाहिए सिंपली बिकॉज हमें एंटर करते से इरिटेशन फील होती है. सो दिस ऑल्सो अप्लाइज फॉर योर कॉपी. नेवर मेक योर रीडर फील लाइक दे आर बीइंग सोल्ड. You first need to connect with them, create a relationship and then slowly pitch your product or service. Just take an example of me. अगर मैं starting से ही आपको बोलूँ कि buy this course of mine और I only provide information on consultation calls for which you need to pay X amount. So आप में से कोई भी agree नहीं होगा. Like why will someone pay me if they don't know me or simply trust me? But if I'm providing some valuable information for many weeks or months for free and I have a connection with my audience, then that process becomes easy. And मेरे words बहुत ही ज़्यादा value hold करेंगे. So first build trust and then sell your service or product. So copywriting is all about human psychology. You need to understand how and where people spend their money and time. Because this is the core of making more sales, increasing your reach and earning more money. So that's it for the copywriting video and ask all your doubts in the comment box below. Until then, if you found this video useful, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.